Kutis, how are you? I am Ruby Teresa. Shall we do the problem? Just to listen to me and see the problem. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. So, what are the conditions they have given and what are they asking you to write? Both the things you have to check it out. Given digits without repetition. What it is given? Without repetition. Without repetition. So you should not repeat the number. You should not repeat the number. You have to write the number only once. One time only you have to write the number. Without repetition means that is the meaning. Then make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. So greatest 4-digit number, then smallest 4-digit number. So 2 numbers you have to write. How many numbers you have to write? 2 numbers. One is greatest 4-digit numbers and another one is smallest 4-digit numbers. So how many digits they are asking? 4 digit. So here they have given the hint. When they give 0, if you begin a number with 0, then it is not a 4-digit number. It is a 3-digit number. So when they are giving 0, you should not start with 0 for the smallest number. If you write it like this, then what is the digit? 3-digit number. So you don't start with 0. For the smallest 4-digit number, don't start with 0. Along with me, you try to say these sentences. So, before writing this greatest and smallest, you should know the ascending and descending order. Already you have studied about this, isn't it? But even though, better you recall it. What is ascending? Smallest to largest. Smallest to largest. That means what number you will be able to form while you are writing smallest to largest. Smallest number you will be able to form. You will be able to form smallest number. You will be able to form the smallest number when you are writing in ascending order. When you are writing in descending order, you will be able to form the largest number. So, when you want to write the largest, you should start with the largest. Largest to smallest. When you want to write the largest number, you have to start with the largest to smallest. Start with largest and end with the smallest. If you want to write the smallest number, here they are asking 4-digit. When you want to write the smallest 4-digit number, you start with the smallest number and end with largest number. So, smallest to largest means smallest 4-digit number. Largest to smallest means largest 4-digit number in this problem. So, ascending means smallest. Descending means largest. Ascending means what? Smallest number. When you want to frame a smallest number, you have to write in ascending order. When you want to frame a largest number, you have to write in descending order. Now shall we go to the problem? First, here they have given greatest. Both are same. Greatest and largest are the same meaning. Instead of largest, you can write greatest also. Do you follow? So, greatest. So, both are same meaning. So, first what do you want to find out? Greatest 4-digit number. Greatest means what I told you, from the greatest number. So, compare these 4 digits. Among these 4 digits, which one is the greatest number or largest number or biggest number? Other word also what you can write? Biggest. Biggest. Which one is the greatest number here? 8. Which is the greatest number? 8. Next one is what? 7. Next one is 4. Finally 2. So with this 4 digits, with this 4 numbers, you will be able to form this greatest 4-digit number. This is what? Greatest 4-digit number. This is what? Greatest 4-digit number. Now you are framing greatest 4-digit number. Next one. Which one is the greatest? 9. Next one, 7. Along with me, you try to say the answer. Next one is 4. Next one is 1. Here, next problem. Which one is the biggest number or greatest number or largest number? 7. Next one is 4. 4 is the greatest. Next one is 5. Finally 0. So in which order you are writing? Descending order. Largest to smallest. Then only you will be able to find out the greatest number. Here, which one is the greatest? 7. Which one is the greatest? 6. Next, third one, 2. Finally, 1. Is it okay? Will you be able to form the greatest 4-digit number? Here you see 5. Yes. Next one is what? 4. Super. Next 3. Finally 0. So just you have completed the greatest 4-digit numbers. Just you can clap on your own. Self appreciation should be there. So just you clap it and you encourage yourself and go for the next part. Next one is what? Smallest. Next one is what? Smallest. Smallest 4-digit number. Smallest means what I told you, ascending order. From the smallest you have to go. Least number. So, in this, listen, just let me round it. Which one is the smallest number here? 2. You should not repeat it. Next one is what? 4. Next one is what? 7. Now you are writing in ascending order. Next is 8. This is the smallest 4-digit number. You are going from smallest to largest. Is it okay? Next. Which one is the smallest? 1. Next one is what? 4. Next one is what? 7. Next one is 9. Is it okay? Will you be able to do the problem correctly? Do you follow? Here you see 0, isn't it? 0. 0, you should not start with the number 0. Why? If you are starting a number with 0, then it will become a 3-digit number. But they are asking 4-digit numbers. So, you keep the 0 as it is. Next number you take. What is the next smallest? 0, just let it be. Compare these 3 numbers. Among these 3 numbers, which one is the smallest? 4 is the smallest. Leaving out the 0, you compare the remaining digits. You compare the remaining numbers. So 4. After writing this number, immediately you write 0. Next you compare the remaining numbers. What is it? 5. Next one is 7. Do you follow? So, when they are giving the number 0, you should be very careful. For the smallest, don't start with a number 0. But for the greatest, you can end the number with 0. But for the smallest, you should not start. So, leaving out 0, you compare the remaining numbers. Among those numbers, you have to find out the smallest and write it. After that, you write 0. Then, as usual, you do it. Do you follow? Next one here. Which one is the smallest? 1. Which one is the smallest? 2. Next one is 6. Next one is 7. Next. Here you see 0 has come. So, is it possible to start with 0? No. So, leaving out 0, compare these 3 numbers. Among these 3 numbers, which one is the smallest? 3 is the smallest. So, after writing this, immediately what you should write? 0. You have to write 0. Then as usual you do it. Next, which one is the smallest? 4. Next, 5. Do you follow? Every one of you? Many students, what you are writing, you know, after writing the greatest number, simply you are seeing this and you are writing 2478, 1479, 0547. No. For this it is okay. But with 0, when it is with 0, please don't do this type of mistake. Here it will be easy. For this also you can write what? 1, 2, 6, 7. But when 0 comes, please don't do this trick. Do you follow? If you want to write, just you see you have to write. Suppose if you want to do it with this, what you have to do? First you have to write 3, then 0, then 4, 5. Do you follow? So with the given numbers you try to arrange. Then you won't make any mistake. Do you follow, my dear? So, like this, you try to give 5 more problems and do it, and please write the comments in your comment box. Please give me the answers. Creative problem, you do it. Every student, you have to learn to do the problem on your own. You have to learn to create the problem. Writing the answer alone, it won't sufficient. You should be able to create a problem on your own from the smaller classes. You try to do it, and parents and teachers, please help them to make a problem, create a problem. Thank you.